Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you that how to insert figure caption, cross reference and list of figure. In my last video I have already told that how to create chapters, headings and subheadings. In this video, for example, this is the figure in the chapter 1. So I have another option that I can directly write its figure caption like figure 1 and for sample image, and I can write here in the text that as shown in figure 1. So this is the one way to add the figure caption and cross referencing. So this is the cross referencing. But if you have a large file and you want to link it, and you have for example you have created here figure 1 and you want to change the numbering of this figure, then you have to change it every time in your text also. So this will be very complicated for you to rearrange your figures if you want to add new figure or if you want to delete any figure. So there will be a lot more work for you in your documents, and after linking it will also help to create list of figure. Okay, so let me start with adding figure caption. So click on this figure, right click and insert caption. So the insert caption, you can see here the figure 1 is by default showing. You can add the table number, equation number, whatever you want. So this will be linked this will be the linked to the figure. Okay, so and if you want to show the figure caption bottom below the selected item, so in general below selected item we choose for figure, and above selected item we choose for table. So right now it is below selected item. Go to the numbering. So and if you want to exclude this label, you can exclude it, only the number will show, or you can add any default label, whatever for example you want to put sample here, then it will be sample. Instead of figure it will show the sample here. So whatever label you want to add, you can add it. So let me go to the numbering, and in numbering you will see the format is 1 to 3 now. But if you want to include the chapter number also, like you want to link this figure to your chapter, so include chapter number, and by default it is taking heading 1. You can select whatever you want, but my chapter is linked to heading 1, so I have selected this one. And in column like a separator, you can use hyphen or any other separator. Okay, so click on OK, and right now you can see, so two numberings are coming here. So one is for chapter number and this one is for figure number. So let me click on OK, and here it is came. So one thing I want to show you, that you can write the your caption here. For example, this is a sample image. You can write the caption here, or you can edit it here also. Right, image, whatever you want, which you like. So this is the caption. So let me delete this one. Yeah, so and when you click on this, there is style, caption style is separately available in your style window. So you can see here you change this text format, like I want to type New Roman and 14 and black, and then go to your style and click on update caption to match selection. So next time if you will do like that, for example in the next image I am going to add the caption for this image. So this should be linked to the chapter 2. Right click on it and click on insert caption and click on OK. So you can see this is also a sample image. So you can see by default it is taking the text format here, and it is linked to the chapter 2. So this numbering is the chapter number and this is the figure number in chapter 1. Okay, so for example, if I have another figure in my chapter 2, so then it will be automatically, it will take 2.2. okay, this is taking 2.2, means this is the second image of the second chapter. You can write whatever you want here. Okay, so this is done for now. And in cross referencing, I have written here as shown in figure 1. So you go to here and you can directly link this figure here. So go to the referencing, go to the cross reference, and in cross referencing there are a lot more options. So it's the number item. Go to the downside and here is the figure. Select the figure and it is showing entire caption, so I don't want it my entire caption. I only want only label and number. So click on that and here you can select whichever image you want to insert here. So I want to insert this figure 1 or 1.1 and insert a hyperlink. It means you can directly click on that link and you go to your figure. I'll show you next time. Yeah, so click on insert, okay, and close. So whenever you take your cursor to the this figure, this is showing control plus click to follow the link. So click on control and then you are seeing the finger icon is coming here. So whenever you click on this figure, you will directly go to this figure. For example, let me show you this cross referencing, and we go to the figure 2.2, close, and then I will click on this figure. I will directly go to the image 2.2. So I am clicking and I came here. Okay, so this is very helpful when you are reading a document, linked documents, and will help to directly see go to the figure whatever you want. And similarly I can link in this one also as shown in this figure. So this is the figure 2.1. Let me insert figure 2.1 here. Okay, close, delete this figure. In figure is sufficient. Here also in figure, yeah. Okay, so this is the figure caption and cross referencing is done, and I want to add the list of figure in my document. So there is one way that you manually make your list of figure and select and find that on which page number your image is available. Instead of that, I can go to the insert table of figures. So this table of figures it can be used for making table of content or whatever you want in the figure, or you can make the table list of table also from here. So this is the figure, and you can select table. If you want to make table list of table, then you have to click on the table. And if you want to make the list of equation, you have to select the equation. Okay, so include label and number. I only want to include this one, and this is the text, and let me click with the default setting. Okay, and you can see here this list of figure is generated, and I have, if I am changing sample image modified, I'm changing the caption, so this will automatically, when I will update it, click on Control A and then right click and then update field, update entire table, click on OK, then you can see the figure list of figure is automatically updated, and this figure numbering is also linked to these figures. So let me change the page number for this figure. So this came to page 2 now. So when I will update again, update entire table, click on OK, so this is the page number is changed here. Okay, so this is the very easiest method to do these things, and this is better if you, for example, if I want to delete it, for example in this chapter I have 2 figures and I deleted this figure, so this is the numbering. So let me update it, click on update field, so automatically this numbering has been changed. So this is very easiest way to, and here you can you notice one thing, here I have linked the figure 2.1 and figure 2.1 is now absent in your document, so it is showing error. So you have to delete it also. Okay, and for example you have to delete it also because this figure is not present in your document, so you no need to link that figure in your document. But let me do one thing, that I want to change this figure with another figure, like I want to put another figure here. So if you will delete this figure and again add another figure, this will show the error similarly as shown earlier. Instead of that, you go to click on this figure and go to the change picture, and then work offline, and then you have to add any of this figure. So for example, this figure I want to replace with, so click on insert, and now the figure will be changed and this will not show error. Okay, instead of that, if I will delete once, then you have to again cross reference it. So this is the better way to do that. Okay, so I think this video will be helpful to create like a list of figure and figure captions and cross referencing. Thanks for watching.